If you have been invited to the Covey web portal, you can follow the instructions in this tutorial to activate your account. Once you've been added, you'll receive an email with a link and a temporary password. Click on the link to verify your email. This will then take you to the login page. Use your email and temporary password to log in. You'll then be asked to verify your details and create a new password. After entering your new password, press Submit and your account will be activated. You can then use your email and new password to log into the Covey Go app. The Covey Go app is Apple and Android compatible.